Hi everybody, thanks for coming back to the channel. Today we have an unboxing. It is the Allure March 2019 unboxing. The big drama, will it or won't it be ripped? This is our third month with one of those plastic cosmetic-y bags that they send your goodies in now. And my black one and my red one were both ripped. I've seen that this month is white. Let's see now if it is ripped. Let's be optimistic. So when you open up your box, I have a table in front of me now, so I feel like, look, mono hands. When you open up your box, you have this pretty pink, and it just says Allure Beauty Box, and it comes with your little pamphlet that will tell us everything we need to know, and this is the white will it or won't it be ripped bag that I am speaking of. And on first inspection, it does not seem to be ripped. I thought that last month too though. So let's get into it and see. This is the nice book, and inside it will tell us all of the goodies that I have. So I have my glasses sitting right here. I'm ready. So how are you guys doing? Did you get the box? Was your bag ripped? Did it have good stuff in it? We won't know if the bag is ripped till the end because I'm going to take the goodies out one at a time. And this I have the, I'm going to have to get my glasses. This is very small writing right from the beginning. I have the Belief, the True Cream Aqua Bomb. All right, let's see what it says in here about that. I think that this one, yeah, this gives us prices of the full-size products. This is it. And it says that it is a light gel-like formula that absorbs in seconds and gives skin a rush of hydration. This girl says it makes her look smooth and poreless, and it has calming ingredients. Interesting. Like calendula and oat kernel extract, and the natural lemongrass scent is so soothing. Sometimes scents can be a problem for me, but this says that if it were the full price, it would be $38. Well, let's just stick our finger on in here and see what we've got. Ooh, got right into it. It is just she's right, it's kind of gel-like. This is a good little sample. I mean, you probably could use this for a couple weeks easy. And it goes on and it's wet. It's just absorbs. She's right. It absorbs right in. The scent is very light. I will probably try this. I am using the Drunk Elephant. I know you guys are tired of that story. And then after that, I'm moving to Elemis. Probably another story you're tired of. But at some point, I will also try this. So that's fun. What do we got next in our bag? I have the Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion Age-Defying Exfoliator. This was one of the variations. You could have gotten this, an Invisibobble, or a Tartist Matte Lip Paint in OG. But this is fun. So all of the descriptions in this little pamphlet are written by an editor or person that as they used it, they told the story. So that's why it sounds like I'm saying I, but this person says, I flush easily, but the combo of physical and chemical exfoliants in this creamy scrub gently buffed my skin to make it brighter, but not redder. I'm willing to try anything that even pretends like it makes me brighter, but not redder. Because there are not too many things in this world that can make you bright, but don't make me red. It's got a seal on it, so I'm going to go ahead and leave it sealed. It's just an exfoliant. Okay, let's see what's next. This feels like it's full of goodies. Next, I have the Allure Seriously Soothing Blue Tansy Night Oil. That is interesting. Let's find that in here. Get it out of the box so you can see it. Oh, there is absolutely no branding or labeling of any sort on this bottle. That seems legit. All right, we'll read what's in the book about it. I mean, I can show it to you. Would you like to see a plain bottle? It says there are 10 hydrating oils packed in here, but this mix is delightfully light. It's delightful. I use it after my retinol at night, on dry spots before makeup, or even on the ends of my hair. Well, let's see what this is like. I imagine it's going to be like an oil. It's not coming out yet. Oh, there it is. Begin to see that. Yeah, there you go. It's a little shine. It's a real subtle smell. I don't know what blue tansy is, but it does not have a strong smell at all. You could absolutely use this at night with your makeup routine and it wouldn't bother you because it has virtually no smell. This says, and it sounds like this is probably the directions if you had a full-size one, which if you have a full-size, comes in a pump. So this, it says to put 1 to 2 pumps in the palm of your hand and press into face, neck, and décolletage. So they want you to in it. Interesting. A full size would be $12.99 for an ounce, so it's an inexpensive product. Oh, did I tell you that the Dr. Jart, they say, if it were full size, would be $79? Next in the bag, we have the Anywhere Cream Multi-Stick Natural Color. It's all natural. It's a nice box. I think this was the first thing that I saw on the... Gotta tell you, people, love having that table right there. I'm just saying. Oh, what color did I get? What is this? Let's see. I got it in grapefruit. I think that's what everybody got it in. Put a little bit on my hand here. Well, it's pretty. It's pinker than I thought it was. I thought it was going to be much more coral than that. I don't know if you can tell with that lighting. It doesn't smell like anything. It just smells like a multi-stick. Hey, you want to see how much it is? Let's see how much. I don't know if this might be a full size. It seems like it's a lot. Mommy always said, whistling women, I'm going to quit because you know it's going to be a problem in a minute. I would say this is a full size. This thing is chocked full of it. I'm never sure about multi-sticks. They always say you can use them on your cheeks, your eyes, your lips, put them wherever you want, but I seldom want the same color on all of those things. But this is a pretty, and it's got a lot of shine to it. It would definitely be a pretty blush or lip. I don't think I would ever use that color on my eye. Okay, so this says, when I blended this golden peachy cream blush into my cheeks, it gave my complexion a subtle warmth of color that looked like it could be my own. It's the magic wand that gives you a running around the playground flush. I almost always have one of those. It's my superpower, my running around the playground flush. Works especially well if you put it on the apples of your cheeks, across the bridge of your nose, and blend it with your fingers. No. And it says it is organic and cruelty-free. Well, bonus points for organic and cruelty-free. Okay, let us see what is next. So far we have 4 items. So I have the Mamond Rose Water Toner. Oh, that's interesting because last month we got the Mamond Oil to Foam Cleanser that I haven't used yet because I haven't. And now I have the toner, so that'll be fun to try them both at the same time. Okay, it says that this gives your skin a post-cleanser hydrated feel that leaves you softer and more moisturized. It's made with organic damask roses. That's kind of cool. That are hand-picked at dawn. That is incredibly specific. I like it. I like knowing that information. I can see little people out there picking each one and sniffing it and moving on with their day. Oh, it smells like roses. If you do not like roses, this is not the scent for you. Oh, but I do. I can't help it. Makes me think of my Grammy. If that were a full size, it would be $23. Okay. Is this it? Is this the last but not least? No, it is not. I have to tell you, I don't think that I've seen anybody else pull one of these out of these. And it's a facial mask. Hashtag Stay Gorgeous. Hydrates and nourishes with almond oil and vitamin E. It's a very pretty mask. Let's see what the book says about it. Oh, it must have been a variation. I'm not saying I'm bummed, but the other variation was this glow watermelon mask. And I have done that in the past. I think I actually did a video on it. That mask was bomb. I tend to break out easily, etc., etc. It gave me such moisture, and the serum in it was, and it didn't make me red. I know, focus on something. I loved it. So we'll have high hopes for this too. This is BioBell Botanic Fiber Facial Mask, and there were 4 options for this too. So I am so happy that I got the hydrating one, because the ones that are like clarifying and stuff, they're generally too strong for me. It says these sheet masks are made of biodegradable fibers sourced from sustainably grown wood. You'll get one of 2 varieties, either Stay Gorgeous or After Party, both of which leave your skin dewy, soothed, and nourished. Well, I'm absolutely going to try this. I am one of those people that I do these masks that they send us. I will do anything to try and take the red down a notch and get me good and nourished. Okay, and last but not least, I already took it out of the bag when I took out that hydrator. I have the Essentials Derma Microdermabrasion Scrub. Let's read about this. I am putting together my a giveaway for my, I'm calling it my $250K giveaway, for when I reach 250 people. And I'm not likely to use a microdermabrasion scrub. So let's see what it says and then we'll decide. It's a good sized pot though. Probably an ounce. That's a half an ounce. I'm telling you, I have no grasp of sizing because it seems big. Doesn't that seem big? It says this scrub with salt and grapeseed oil collapses many skincare steps into one pot. It lifts away dead cells, clears pores, and moisturizes. And it delivers texture that is better and cheekbones that are downright glinty. And a full size of this would be $32.50. Okay, you know what? I'm not going to use it. I'm not going to even open this, and I'm going to put it in that giveaway that I was talking about, because when you start talking about microdermabrasion, it makes my cheeks are panicking. Yep, they're in a flat out panic right now. Okay, we're giving it away. Don't panic. All right, guys, that is my March Allure box. That was a pretty good March Allure box. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products. Oh, let's check the bag. Guys, I got my first not broken bag. You know what I'm going to do with it? I'll tell you what I'm going to do with it. I'm going to collect my giveaway in it. And when it gets good and full, that'll be my giveaway. I have this now. I have a brush from my Ipsy bag and an eyeshadow from my Ipsy. So anyway, that means that I got the, back out of the bag, the Derma E Microdermabrasion Scrub, the Mamond Rose Toner, which is awesome because I got the Rose Wash last month and I haven't used it yet, so I can use them together. That'll be great. This All Natural Multi-Stick, the Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion. I know. Why wouldn't I put that in there too, right? I would like to try the Dr. Brandt's. The Belief True Cream Aqua Bomb Moisturizer. I'll be giving that a try. And the Allure, so they say, seriously soothing blue tansy night oil in the nondescript bottle. I don't know why that strikes me as unusual, but it surely does. Was your bottle empty too? Did you have, no, not empty. It's not empty, it's full. Was your bottle lacking branding too, or did I miss something in the production line? Let me know below. Do you think this is a good Allure box? They have knocked the last couple out of the park so well that when I look at this one compared to those, I'm like, it's okay. But standing on its own from a skincare perspective, we got a lot of skincare products here, and they're actually pretty good. Oh, I forgot. We had 7 products because I got the face mask. Almost forgot that face mask. All right, guys, that's it for my Allure box this month. So thanks for coming by, and I will see you soon. I'm expecting my calls box literally at any minute now. I know it's out for delivery. It's not there yet.